So this week in physics, week 2, dealt mostly with circuits. I'm learning about different kind of circuits, series, parallel, cells, using light bulbs, all of that, experimenting with different configurations, see if the light bulb would light, using batteries, all of that. So that was the overview of the week. What we learned this week was you know, uh, two different types of circuits. We have series and we have parallel. The series was, basically where you just had one connection from the positive end of the battery or the cell through a series of lights and then back to the negative end of the cell. And then putting a combination of lights into the circuit and just seeing how the varying um, amounts of current flowing through each one, you could progressively see you know each light bulb down the series was a little bit dimmer than the one before. And then the last day on Thursday, we learned about a parallel circuit. So taking the same concept, but then splitting it where you had two wires going in between two batteries or two light bulbs, and just seeing how one light bulb as compared to the other two in the series in this case was definitely brighter than the other one. And then and then we experimented with unscrewing one of them and then how they equaled out, because basically once we took that other light bulb out, we just created a series circuit again. This week, I didn't it wasn't really anything that I didn't understand. It's kind of just basic stuff that I learned in physics in high school. Um, the parallel circuit was probably the hardest one for me, but I think next week when we start doing more with our project and a little more in the series or in the electrical stuff in our project next week, I think that'll help me out a little bit. Next steps for next week are going to be starting uh, our project using the camera and the flash to create a gun that shoots a BB. So that sounds pretty fun. Hope I don't get shocked. I heard it's kind of easy to do with those disposable cameras. So anyway, as for now, this is it. It's been fun, and I will post again next week. See you guys.